This is my Minecraft skin on Minecraft Java Edition.
And this is that exact same skin on Xbox Bedrock Edition. This is a completely custom skin that I made on the Skin Decks, and I am indeed playing it on Xbox Bedrock Edition. And if you don't believe me, well,
it's probably best to check it out for yourself.
Now that you've seen that this is Xbox Bedrock Edition, it's time to show you how I did this. As you can see in the character creator, this is my very own skin pack with two skins which are completely custom, and I'm aware that the skin pack name is Mumbo Green Skin Pack, and that's because I used this Mumbo Green Skin Pack as a test to see if my skin pack would work, and these also work too. By the way, your friends will be able to see your skins, and you will be able to use them on servers, and everyone on those servers will be able to see the skin. Grab your shades, because it's quite a long, complicated process, but in my opinion, it is completely worth it. It's worth noting that when you're watching this, whenever that may be, it might not work, because there's two applications which I downloaded off the Microsoft Store for completely free to do this. One of them being MC Add-ons Manager and Files and Folders Lite. You can download these both from the store, which can be accessed right at the bottom here of your homepage menu thing, which comes when you press the big Xbox button once. So the first step in doing this is to go to minecraftskins.com, which is the skin decks, and you got to go to the editor and you can create your own skin. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a completely blank white skin and then a completely blank black skin maybe. And you need to make 2 or more skins for this. You can make more than 2, but this tutorial is going to be covering 2. Okay, there we go. That is my first skin fully completed. So I'm going to go down here, download that, make sure that is saved to your desktop for further use, and now you've got to make another one, and I'm just going to do the exact same but black. So there's my second skin. I'm going to download that one too, and I'm also going to save that one to my desktop. You might as well rename them now. I'm naming mine black.png and white.png. Make sure they're easy to remember the names though, because these will be important later, the names of the skins. So you don't need the skin decks anymore, so you can close that. But what you're going to want to do is come to this tutorial here, which is extremely in-depth and extremely helpful, and it's helped me a lot with this video. But we're not actually going to be watching this. We're going to be scrolling down to the description, and you're going to want to click on the top link, which is a link to his Dropbox, where you can download the Mumbo Green Skin Pack, which he made. If you just click on the folder and then in this top corner it says download, just click direct download and that should begin to download it. Here it is, Mumbo Green Skin Pack -2. These are all the things which you're going to need. What I would suggest is you duplicate it so we have a copy version, and I'm going to be working in the copy version here. I'm just going to be calling it plain skins. There it is. And now I can get to work. So first off, what you're going to want to do is get rid of both the PNGs and replace them with the skins that you have saved to your desktop. So there you go, black PNG and white PNG are both in there now. You're also going to want to delete the Mumbo Green Skin Pack.mc pack. You're not going to need that. So first off, open manifest.json. This is what you should see. It'll probably look slightly different depending on whether you're on a Mac operating system or not. I am in this case, as you can probably tell. But overall, the steps for this will work on any computer, I think. In fact, it's probably easier on a different operating system. So there's a few things which you're going to want to change in the manifest.json file. First off, you're going to want to change this Mumbo Green Skin Pack to the name of your skin pack. Make sure you don't change any of the existing code around that though, like the speech marks. Those are very important, and if one thing goes wrong here, then it probably won't work. So I'm just going for plain skins. Now here where it says UUID and there's a number, this is extremely important. Make sure that you've highlighted only what's in the speech bracket and delete it, because you're going to want to put something in there now. If we head back over to Zero Studios' video, down here we have the Uuid Generator, which is uuidgenerator.net if you want to just go there quickly. And this generates a UUID for you, so press copy. You can go back into the manifest and just paste it in, and you have to do the same for the bottom one too. Delete it, ensuring that it's not deleting anything else around it. Refresh the page to generate another one and copy it, and it's the exact same process. Now you have 2 new UUIDs. You can save that. That's everything you need in the manifest.json file. Now you can open skins.json.
The geometry here, you probably won't want to change that. Some people are indeed clever enough to change this to change the shape of the skins, but I'm guessing that's not what you're going to want to do. So just leave this as it is. Don't touch any of this. Localization name, let's go for white. You can change this to whatever you want, but it's important you remember what goes here. Geometry.humanoid.custom. If you want the big normal Minecraft arms, then keep it as custom. But down here, as you can see, there's custom slim, which makes the arms a little bit thinner. Grian has those arms on his skin. But because we want both to be big arms, let's just do that and delete the slim. Now this is important. You got to change the text in here after texture to the name of the picture file. This basically overall is the skin. And the texture is, in this one, it's going to be white.png. Make sure it's the exact same as the picture file which you're using. Down here, I'm going to do the exact same process for the black skin as well. There we go. Okay, and the serialized name is going to be plain skins. I'm pretty sure that's everything on this one, so you can close that now. In here, in the text folder, we have this. Which I can't actually open on this, so I've got to change the extension to a JSON file so that I can actually read it. Basically what this does is make sure that everything's names are in order, and if you import this into Minecraft without this file in there, then it makes the names of the skins go all wobbly and with loads of like weird text. But when I tried importing it with this file, it said that the file already existed, so I tried it without and it worked. The only cost of that is that it has weird names basically. So the next step is to move this out the way, and you can highlight these, right click on them and compress for items. That'll give you a zip file. Rename this now plain skins, and instead of being a zip file, you're actually going to want to change the extension to .mcpack. And a .mcpack is basically just a zip file that Minecraft can read. So make sure you've done that, use .mcpack, and there you go. You have your .mcpack file for your skin pack. Now what you're going to want to do is go to OneDrive and sign in. Once you have logged in safely and securely, you can go into one of these. I'm going to go into Documents. As you can see, these are files which I have previously uploaded, and I'm going to upload a file. Of course, what I'm looking for is plainskins.mcpack. I'm going to choose that, and that is going to upload. There we go, plainskins.mcpack. That is all you have to do on your laptop or your PC. You're going to want to move back onto your Xbox for this next part. Once you're back on your Xbox, you're going to want to go to Files and Folders Lite, which you will have downloaded off the store. If you go over to Navigation and click OneDrive, it will prompt you to log in. And once you've done that, you will have full access to your OneDrive. Click on wherever you uploaded the MC pack, and there it is, plainskins.mcpack. So I'm going to press the 3 lines button on the menu button, and I'm going to press copy to clipboard. I'm now going to go over to browse and select where I want to put the MC pack file. I'm going to put it in downloads, and then I'm going to press select, and then downloads will appear. If I hover underneath here with my cursor and I press the 3 lines button on the menu button again, and I press paste, there we go. Plainskins.mcpack is now in my downloads folder on the Xbox. So I can now exit out of this and go to MC Addons Manager. Come up to Import. Go to wherever you just saved the MC pack. For me it was downloads, and there it is, plain skins. And importation complete. Do you want to delete the source pack file? Click yes. It frees up space, there's literally no bad things about it. And this means that if you go into Minecraft, nothing will have happened yet. So if you click on Profile, your custom skin packs won't be appearing initially. All you've got to do to fix this is come up here, go across, and click Sign Out. If this appears, just click Sign In, and then sign in as yourself again. And go back onto Minecraft. As you'll see, I'm not signed in as Pixel, I'm signed in as Steve, so I'm going to have to press Y to change user, and then select myself. This will reload Minecraft again. And hopefully, this means if we come into profile, there it is! The skin pack which I've created! And I can now use these in Minecraft. There is a very, very high likelihood that the skin pack will be called Mumbo Green Skin Pack, which I guess is not ideal, but to me it doesn't really matter, and I'm hoping it doesn't really matter that much for you, because what matters is the skin.
You can go on to servers with these skins. As you can see, I'm appearing with this. Everyone will be able to see my skin. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it helps you in some way. If you have any questions or queries, just leave them in the comments, and I will be sure to respond to them. If this at all helped you, then maybe consider subscribing, liking the video, doing all sorts of stuff like that. Because as I'm sure you know, that really helps the video and also my channel as a whole. Also, I make content on Minecraft Bedrock weekly, so if you're at all interested in seeing that, then maybe consider checking out my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in another video sometime soon. Goodbye.